I had the privilege today of co-driving with Steve Olliges in the 51 F100 truck, the most amazing truck I think I've ever been in. Super excited to say that I got to co-drive at a trophy truck race. Pretty awesome. I'm all grins right now. That was a blast. We had a really clean time. Steve's a great driver. This truck is so smooth. He asked me before the race, he's like, do you want a kidney belt? And I didn't even need a kidney belt. This truck is just super smooth, and we hauled the mail and did really well. I'm curious to see like what our lap times were against everyone else. I mean, for an I-beam truck, this thing is just phenomenal, and I'm so excited and so stoked that I was able to co-drive today.